This is the elevator at an apartment building in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler 330A. It's standard H2. What's unique about this is it's such a small room, but there's two COPs with the exterior, interior, indicator. I wasn't expecting that. Basement, here you go. The basement, which is not far distance, and opens at the front. Want to get in here for a while, finally got in. I don't remember this, so I'll have to check the interlock and the records. Here we go up. Watch the other indicator. And as typical 330A creaks. Here are 3. I'm not sure which door 3 opens on. Front door. Back down the lobby. Kind of a loud time for a small, quiet apartment building. It's a basic Schindler 330A laminate cab. I believe Hydraulic Elevator maintains this. Here back at the lobby. Lobby might be the only thing that opens on this door. I'm not entirely sure though. I must have 2 open somewhere else. Or 1 and 2. Of course, this is not going to be it.